This is Bubbles. We adopted Bubbles in August. She'll be about a year in May. And from what I understand, these dwarf hamsters live about a year and a half. So she's doing quite well. We got her from Toronto Animal Services. She's very friendly. She's a wonderful little girl. She likes to have Cheerios. Give her some Cheerios. There's another one, little bubbly poo. You put it in your pouch already. She's very sweet. Very, very friendly. Let's see if she'll go for a little run. Hey, Bubbles. Stop bedding all over her. There she is, my little girl. Okay, Bubbly, come here. Oh. So there you have it. We'll turn her around so we can see. She's just a sweet little thing. Okay, Bubbly. We'll put her back in her house so she can run around. And that's Bubbles.